we have more of these flesh-eating bacteria cases arising in the Gulf of Mexico, as they are stating that there's more places affected than just Florida here. We have reports coming out of Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, all around the Gulf. And let's remember that there has been the second largest reported dead zone or kill zone ever on record reported this year in the Gulf of Mexico. You can add that to the green-blue algae that shut down all the beaches in Mississippi. And as I had reported on last night, we now have this EEE that is going around, spread by mosquitoes, that is causing the brain to swell in individuals. But this flesh-eating bacteria, not just in Florida, people saying that they're seeing signs of this and reports coming in different states, and that this is lurking in the warm waters all around the Gulf. Now, initially, they were stating that they think that this is all connected to, of course, what do they always say? Climate change. Now, the climate can change. The climate actually changes every day, all the time. But of course, they're trying to push this, as Al Gore would, that it's all your fault, emitting too much CO2, and that the world's in disarray, yet they're manipulating the weather left and right. They want to make not a mention of that, do they? Do they? Nah, didn't think so. Here we are in hurricane season. We do have hurricanes that are kicking up now. It will be interesting to see what happens throughout the latter half of hurricane season, especially coming up through Hurricane Alley, toward Florida, the Gulf, and all that. Now, what happens when you have disease spreading through warm waters, and then all of that gets picked up, say in a hurricane, and then dumped on people in cities inland further? Things to think about, but I wanted to let it be known that this is more widespread than just Florida. And it's in my belief that a lot of these things are being engineered out here. So you got to be wise, got to be smart, folks. I'll leave links below. It's been DAHBOO77. Much love, y'all.